Nissan Qashqai 2017. Just had a non-starting issue. Down to
yeah, the car came in the garage, it broke down. The engine was cranking, the fuel system, everything was okay, and the spark plug, coil plug, and the pressure, high pressure pump, everything was okay. Then we decided to take the timing chain cover out to see the timing, and this car is very low mileage as well, 2017. So I take the timing chain cover, rocky cover out. As you can see here, the first thing is 1 liter oil is coming out.
yes, 1 litre oil, which is on the floor. In fact, only 1 litre.
1 liter oil.
And this is supposed to take like that.
And this is the timing chain.
You see when he spins it,
Completely straight.
it slips every
That's the problem.
single time.
The main problem is it's stuck now. It's not moving now. The timing chain is gone. See? Shouldn't look like that. So what we need to do now, we're gonna lock the crank and the camshaft. We're gonna put the new timing chain and job done. Yeah, so anyone that got the problem with this Nissan Qashqai new one 2017 or new version, I don't know, but this year, and this petrol engine
Is, J11.
it's cranking, the engine is turning, fuel system, everything is okay, but the car is not gonna start. So straight away go for timing chain and check that. First check the oil and then open the timing chain cover, and the timing chain, you can see it's completely jumped, up to 2 or 3 teeth is jumped. So I hope that problem is going to be solved. Okay, thank you for watching.